This is the My Settings tab, which can be navigated to at any time from your user menu over here on the top right corner of the screen, and it's the first option. Let's go through what we see here. This first section gives you your display options for when you're looking at an overview, so for example, an overview of first-line incidents. These options, bold, italics, blue, red, will give you your visual cues about an attribute of a ticket. For example, by default, in your list of first-line incidents, ones which are overdue or have elapsed are shown in red. You can turn on this setting, and then you would see italicized incidents which represent ones that have been modified by someone else. This is your toggle for whether or not you'd like TOPdesk to display to-do lists for groups. This box ensures that your dashboards are kept up to date by having TOPdesk automatically refresh the data in your KPIs and reports on dashboards. Here are the accessibility features, where you can enable things like high contrast color schemes, for example. You can follow this link for more information. Application passwords allow other applications access to your TOPdesk account. If you have permission to do this, you will find your list of application passwords here. Otherwise, you won't see this section. Up here in Availability, you can edit the email address TOPdesk will use to communicate with you and related email settings here below. The Language section allows you to change the language of your user interface. By default, TOPdesk will detect your language automatically based on your browser settings, but if you want to override that, you can use this menu here. Finally, we see default for Make Invisible to Caller. This is associated with the checkbox Make Invisible to Caller located above the Actions field on an incident card. By default, your comments will be visible to the caller, but you can toggle that default to Invisible here. And that's it. Make sure you click Save if you make any changes, and if you need to change your login data, you can do so here.